Welcome to Dragon Classroom.
I'm Dragon.
Are you ready to learn Chinese? This lesson is about numbers. We will play a game after the lesson. Let's start. Number 1. E, E, E. This is how we write E. Number 2. Er, er, er. This is how we write Number 3. San, san, san. This is how we write san. Number 4 is 四, 四, 四. This is how we write 四. Number 5. 五, 五, 五. This is how we write 五. Number 6. 六, 六, 六. This is how we write 六. Number 7. 七, 七, 七. This is how we write 七. Number 8. 八, 八, 八. This is how we write 八. Number 9. 九, 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 九. This is how we write 九. Number 10. 十, 十, 十. This is how we write 十. We have covered all the numbers. Are you ready for a game? Listen carefully. What is E, E, E? What is your answer? E. Number 1. Get ready for the next number. 十, 十, 十. What is your answer? 十. Number 10. Get ready for the next number. 五, 五, 五. What is your answer? 五. Number 5. Get ready for the next number. 六, 六, 六. What is your answer? 六. Number 6. Get ready for the next number. 七, 七, 七. What is your answer? 七. Number 7. Get ready for the next number. 二, 二, 二. What is your answer? 二. Number 2. Listen to the next number. 三, 三, 三. What is your answer? 三. Number 3. Listen to the next number. 八, 八, 八. What is your answer? 八. Number 8. Listen to the next number. 九, 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 九. What is your answer? 九. Number 9.
Listen to the next number. 四 四 四
What is your answer?
Well done. Number 4 is 四. We have come to the end of the game. Did you have fun? It's time to say goodbye. I hope you enjoyed the lesson. Please join me again. 谢谢. Thank you.